All right, so we have the scan results back as well, and there are quite a lot of open ports here. There are 29 open ports and one filtered port, and okay, so that's really a lot of open ports. So what we'll do is we'll perform another scan, sudo nmap -a for this IP. Meanwhile, let's also take a look at the GPG file that we downloaded. So it's in downloads. So okay, no, won't be in downloads. We downloaded it here. So I of GNU POG to view the image file. And I wrote the name of the image file gum room. Okay, so this is the image that we downloaded from the FTP server. And just by looking at it, there's nothing that I can tell about it. Okay, all right, so there's nothing here. So I'll just close it. And I'll wait for the scan. Let's see what happens. All right, it's going to finish soon. Again, I'll pause the video and I'll resume when the scan results come back. All right, so our scan results are back. It says for FTP, anonymous FTP login is allowed. And we already know that, we've already checked that. So let's move on to the next one, SSH, nothing to do with SSH. There's a website, there's no scripts, however, that have given us any output for the website itself. And for the other ports, okay, so we are getting responses like, welcome to chocolate room. Small hint from Mr. Wonka, look somewhere else, it's not here. So actually, again, this is kind of a guided room. It says deploy the machine. After that, it says enter the key you found. So we're supposed to be finding a key here. And the key is not in any of these results that say that the key is not here. Next one again says the same thing, port 106. Same for 109, 1010, sorry, not 1010, 110, 111, same thing, 113. However, says that you will find the key here and it's a link http localhost key ref key. And of course, for us, it's not going to be localhost, it's going to be this website, this domain. So key rev key, there's an underscore actually, key rev key. Just enter, and it's a file that you can save. It's an application, it's an executable actually. And save it and just go to downloads and try to execute this key ref key. So it asks for a name. What if I don't enter anything? I haven't entered anything. Okay, bad name. All right, let's try it again. So it's Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Let's say okay, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Let's try Charlie. All right, so no dice here. So we'll continue in the next video, see what we can come up with here.